In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to delete all unread emails in Yahoo Mail. If your inbox has piled up and you want a clean slate, this method quickly removes every unread message in just a few clicks. First, open a web browser and sign into your Yahoo Mail account. This process is designed for the web version, which gives you the controls we need for bulk actions. Once you're in, look to the left sidebar and find Smart Views. Under Smart Views, click Unread. This filters your mailbox to show only the messages you haven't opened yet, even if they're spread across multiple folders. It's the fastest way to gather every unread email in one view so nothing gets missed. At the top of the message list, click the checkbox. This selects the first batch of unread messages currently visible on the page, usually somewhere between 25 and 40, depending on your settings. Don't worry, we're about to select all of them at once. After you click that checkbox, a blue link will appear above the list that says something like Select All X messages in Unread. Click that link. Now you've selected every unread email in this filtered view, not just the first page. It's a great way to avoid clicking through page after page. Before you hit delete, take a moment to scan the list and make sure nothing important is still unread. This action targets only unread messages, so anything you've already opened won't be touched. If you spot something you want to keep, open it or move it to a safe folder so it won't be deleted. With everything selected, click the delete button, the trash can icon, to move all of those unread emails to the trash. Depending on how many messages you have, this may take a moment. Allow it to finish so everything is properly moved. To permanently remove them, go back to the left sidebar and open the Delete Items folder. In some interfaces this appears as trash. If needed, select all messages there and click Empty Trash, or use the trash icon to complete the deletion. Confirm if asked. Keep in mind, anything in trash is automatically removed after 7 days, so if you prefer a safety net, you can simply leave them there and they'll vanish on their own. And that's it. You filtered to unread, selected every message with one link, deleted them to trash, and, if you chose, emptied the trash for permanent removal. Use this approach anytime your unread count gets out of hand and you want a fresh start without sorting through each message individually.